the best fried chicken in the world.
Could a Jollibee dance?
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine. Don't wanna know if I can hit it from behind. Though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine. Though. When it's over, I press rewind. Though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket.
Get ready for this chicken early morning grind.
It's never too early for you, know?
Never too early. So Jollibee's moving like a club system, bro. They got bouncers down there. They got these railings here. Keep us tucked in. I'm here with my cousin Jason. We're gonna go with me Jollibee today. They just opened. As we enter, we are greeted by friendly staff. Good morning. The Jollibee staff are amazing and world-renowned for their customer service. As we get to the counter, we try to decide what we want to have today, and we think, why not order it all? How much you spending?
We're gonna need 45.
Copying everything on the menu.
Ready to do the order, man.
So your order is 1 meal beef, 4 spaghetti, 4 rice, Sprite, 2 one-piece burger steaks, with 2 mashed potatoes, and 2 yum with cheese.
Thank you very much.
And that's $41.85, sir.
Lovely.
We look at the task before us and think, how will we finish this mountain of food? Love you, Paddy!
Time to get what? It's time to get strapped up?
Time to get crispy. What's going on, guys? I'm finally here with my cousin. We got everything that we needed. Man's flossed out. Look at this guy. Hey! Bling bling. So today we're going to be reviewing the world's best chicken. In that gravy.
Apparently, man.
This is the best chicken in the world.
Give him a shot, man.
See that? Oh, crispy. So here we have the Jollibee spaghetti. So the thing about this is they make their own special sauce. It tastes much different from English spaghetti.
Oh, look at that. Very cheesy goodness. You got a bit of that sauce.
It's a bit sweeter and it's got a bit of like chopped, what would you call them, hot dogs? Frankfurters?
Don't forget to get a bit of that. It's time, man. Up and up, up and up. No swirling, man. In Philly, we don't swirl. We just get it in.
How's that taste?
Oh, man. Smile on my face, baby. It just goes straight.
That's banging. The sweetness of it. Everybody's happy in here, innit?
Everybody who's eating is just happy, bro.
Hi. Bro, when you get into here, you just know. What did you order, man?
Pieces of chicken.
You're kind of in like mini Philippines, innit?
Basically, you can hear the jingle ringing the whole way through.
Jingle bell.
Couple of rices.
Rice is the staple food in the Philippines. We eat like breakfast, lunch and dinner.
He ain't lying, man.
Rice, cause Asian boy just wanna eat rice.
Here, man, we got the rice wrapped up like a gift, you know. And this is the tactic, you know. You just put it there. A bit of that good old Johnny gravy, you know. You give that a little stir. Get some of that rice, you know. That's the routine. That's the plan. He's the man.
So that chicken right there, oh boy, crispy batter. So we actually got some burgers as well. So this is the yum burger, as you call it.
Popping with this kid.
Got the sauce in there.
So open for the.
Yeah, give a little crack open. Oi. Secret recipe.
Secret.
Ooh.
Okay, it's looking nice and got nice that soft texture there on that bun. It's getting cracking. It's a bit of cheese on your finger. Yeah, get it in. Tasty burger.
That's why it's called yum burger, you know what I'm saying? Yummy.
Okay, a bit of mash.
Oh boy. It's like creamy and buttery. And soft, but with the gravy as well. The texture is immense.
What are you saying? Is it time?
It's time for that beefsteak, come on.
We can still make it work. A bit of rice. Got the beefsteak.
That's so tender and juicy.
So overall, how you liking the experience so far?
The Jollibee experience. It's like spending time with family, bro. It's priceless. I'm telling you.
That's what it feels like. So we're gonna get cracking lacking. Go. Rise up. That's called a Jollibee dance. That's called a Jollibee dance. Hey, that's good. So it's time, man. Do it, better rice.
The chicken has a juicy interior and a crispy exterior, making it different from any other oily chicken you've tried before.
Jollibee makes you happy. A bona fide J, aka BJ. That was some dank chicken. In terms of weed terms, rate that.
Boy, that's
We love Jollibee! Oh, it's my guy from the other day. What are you saying, bro? Say, watch out, Colonel KFC.
Lock them doors, bro.
Jollibee's coming for you, bro. He's coming for you. What improvements do they need to make?
Apart from bringing in, like we say, a couple of the other menu items that we know about.
Yeah, the peach pie. Oh,
Yeah.
the peach pie's a banger.
Some of that, you know, that trademark pineapple juice, man.
Oh, the saucy as well. The root beer, bro.
Root beer. Chicken was on point.
That is legit the best fried chicken in the world, I'm telling you. Love you guys. See you later.
It's like bare food in it.
Our mission was successful, man. Great time with my cuz. Thank you, Jollibee, for having us. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit us with that thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit me with a comment. I reply to all comments, yeah? Let's get it. Alright, Big Nasty, holler me, bro. Chicken connoisseur, holler me. You guys, man. You guys are missing out still.
Responsibility never present. As you get older, every mistake is your hardest lesson.